Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to edit comments on Instagram. So, before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe, notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. So, to get notified for a future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video. So, to edit a comment on Instagram, let me make it clear there is no way you can edit a comment on Instagram. After you post it, let me show you an example. As you guys can see, this one is a comment written by me. So, if I hold on to it, there is just a button to delete it. There is no way I can edit it because Instagram doesn't allow a comment you have posted to re-edit it. So basically, there is a simple way to do this. You can just click on this comment and delete this comment, and after the comment is deleted, you can add a new comment over here. So, the old comment is deleted, and the new comment is posted. So, that's the only way to edit comments on Instagram. You can delete it, post a new comment, because you cannot edit the old comment after it's posted because there is no option like that on Instagram. So that's basically it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.